Hey everyone, it's Jason with ThruNite, and we've just launched new colors of the ThruNite T2. Now you may have seen our previous video or post on social about these colors, but we have a new desert tan and a brand new blue color of the T2. The blue is getting the most attention, so we're gonna start there with an unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box. First you have the warning. Make sure the tail cap and or flashlight head are screwed down tightly. As you can see, this is a really great looking blue. I was actually very surprised by it when I had it in my hand. I think in photos it's hard to really capture accurately what it's going to look like when you have it in person. It reflects light a little bit. It's a solid looking blue. One of my favorite color varieties of all the ThruNite flashlights we sell. It's got a really cool look. And you've seen the light before. It's got USB-C charging, a single side switch for alternating between all the different modes, a dual direction clip for attaching to a backpack or your pocket, 21700 battery. You've seen this in the previous T2. And of course you have the desert tan version right here, and here it is side by side with the T2 in blue. So these new colors are available now. We do have a sale running right now for 30% off these new colors over on our website. That's only gonna last for a couple more days, so make sure you take advantage of that if you're interested. Also, we're doing a giveaway. I almost forgot to mention that. We wanna give someone a new T2. You can choose either the blue or the desert tan version, or the black version if you want it. Click the link in the description to enter to win that. The giveaway is only for people in the US or Canada. We're working on expanding that in the future, but this is what it is for right now. So make sure to click the link in the description to enter to win a T2. We're really excited about it. We want to get these out into the world and give you guys one of these lights for Christmas. If you do want to purchase some lights for friends or family, now is a great time because we have 20% off any flashlight on our website, ThruNite.com, with the code 2020. So make sure you take advantage of that. The promotion ends on the 23rd, so you have a week or two, but make sure to get those orders in so your flashlight can get here before Christmas. We're really excited about all the things we're working on here at ThruNite. You can also get a TI3 for just the cost of shipping if you are a YouTube subscriber. So make sure to click subscribe, head over to our website to grab one of those. And that's about it. I'll see you back here shortly in another video. Thanks.